Today I am making air fryer steak. Look at this steak. So juicy and delicious. Look, I'm just cutting the steak here. Look at that. Wow. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. So over here, I got some T-bone steak. Doesn't matter about the weight. You can use more steak if you like. But that steak, amount of steak can fit into my air fryer. So I'm gonna show you guys now how to marinate the T-bone steak. So first I added some, I sprinkled some salt. And then I also sprinkled some black pepper. It just depends on how much seasoning you like on your steak, so yeah. Anyways, here is some white pepper that I sprinkled on as well. Okay, next I added 2 teaspoons of sugar. Over here I'm using brown sugar. And then I also got some garlic salt. You can put in crushed garlic if you like, but I didn't have any garlic around, so I just sprinkled some garlic salt. And of course also some fish spice, guys. This is like the secret ingredient for the steak. So I'm just gonna mix up all that spice all around the T-bone steak. Just give it a good mix. Make sure both sides of the steak have some of that seasoning. Okay, next let's add our rice wine. This is Chinese rice wine. Just give it a good amount, and then also drizzle some sesame oil, and also some oyster sauce. Not too much. Okay, also I have some soy sauce. Just drizzle around the steak as well. And also give it a good amount of extra virgin olive oil. You have to give this a good amount because we're going to be popping these into the air fryer. So yeah, that's the final ingredient. Just give it a quick mix and then marinate these steaks overnight, or if you want to eat them soon, marinate it for about 30 minutes. Okay, here's my Philips air fryer. The steaks has been marinated. I'm just placing in the steaks. Very easy, guys. Okay, my steaks look like this now, but soon it will be very delicious and beautiful. Okay, so I tuned it at 180 degrees Celsius at 10 minutes first. Okay, after 10 minutes, we can flip it around. As you can see, it has been cooked. Okay, flip it around and pop it in for another 10 minutes. Okay, the 10 minutes and it's up. 20-minute steak. Check that out, guys. This recipe was so easy to make for dinner, and it was so delicious. You don't even need a pan to fry these, guys, and look at that. Look at that juiciness coming out, the fats coming out from the T-bone steak. It was so tasty and juicy. We tuned it at 180 degrees to make sure that the steak is juicy and that it does not dry out. So yeah, very good and delicious. Quick, easy dinner. Have this with some rice, with some salad, whatever you guys like. So yeah, very basic and tasty recipe you guys must try. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you liked my recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so it can grow to a wider audience on YouTube. Thanks guys for watching. Until next time, I'll be making more recipes soon. So thanks guys for watching. Just check out that beautiful steak. Got some ribs there, Also have some eggs. I like having my steak with some sweet chili sauce. Very tasty and delicious. Guys, yummy yummy. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye.